Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave, and that way you'll never miss out on another video. I do upload 3 times a week, and every single Friday I do a free pick a card reading on my channel. But anyways, in today's video we're going to be talking all about the idea that time is an illusion and how that idea can really benefit you. I'm just going to jump right in. What inspired me to do this was basically the thumbnail image that I used for this video. Seeing that photo just really inspired me, it really made me think, and really made me question time. So Einstein had a theory that says something to the effect of time moves faster or slower depending on how fast you're moving versus how fast something else is moving. So when I think about this, the first few things that pop up in my head are, okay, this is maybe why some people can manifest faster than other people. Their vibration is at a higher level, and when you're vibrating at a higher level, I just feel like you're at just a different level than people who are vibrating on a low vibrational level, because for them, for people who are having low vibrational emotions, I feel like it's a lot harder for them to manifest things because walls are created, blocks are created, versus people who feel high vibrational feelings and who are on a high vibration, a positive vibration. They can manifest much faster because the roads are open. You know, there's no blocks, there's no self-limiting beliefs there's no past conditioning that is like getting in the way. And so for them, they're able to manifest faster. So I don't know, I just kind of related the two together and was really inspired to make this video, where we think that time is just like this, oh my god, it's such an important thing. We got to look at the watch, we got to look on our phone, check what time it is. Am I running late? Am I early? Am I going to make it on time? I need to go here by this time. Time. You know, time creates chaos. Something that I've kind of been implementing into my own life, and I know that everybody can't do this because we have jobs, you know, we have things to do, certain time frames, deadlines, stores close at certain times, whatever, but I've been trying to not look at the clock so much, because I realize every time I look at the clock, I'm just like, shit, I'm in a hurry, like, oh my god, I need to do this, I need to get this done, it's already 5 o'clock, blah blah blah. Like, you're living life in such a hurry, you're living life in such a rush that you don't get to really enjoy that moment, you know? And I just realized that that was not a good way to live at all. And then for some of us, it's not even that, it's that we live in the past. You know, things that have happened to us, things we've learned in childhood, things we've been through, heartbreaks, heartaches, betrayals, you know, we live in that still. We haven't moved forward because we haven't dealt with the pain of it. And so we still live in that past time. You know, even though we exist right now, our mentality, our thoughts, our emotions are all based on the past. And then for all of those who live in the future, you're just constantly worrying about, what if this happens? What if that happens? Can I make my rent this month? Can I do this? Will I be able to do that? Will I get to where I need to go? Will I become who I want to become? Like, you're just living in the future. You're existing now, but you're so heavily worried and concentrated on the future that you can't even enjoy now. So that just makes me think about time even more. Like, what truly is even time? We don't have that much. And what are we choosing to do with it? How are we choosing to live in the time that we do have? I just feel like we've been taught to live with the time that we have in such negative ways. You know, a lot of the time, because for all of us who live in the future, we are projecting our fears, our insecurities, our, you know, negative thoughts. We're projecting that into the future. We're projecting that into our own future. Because if you practice the law of attraction, you know that we are co-creators of our own future. Our thoughts direct energy, you know, to a positive place or a negative place, and that all depends on us and our thoughts. So like I said, like, this video was so heavily inspired on the fact that I noticed myself every single day. As soon as I wake up, my mind just starts like spinning, like, I need to do this, I need to do that, I need to get this done, something that I need to get done by tomorrow. Like, just, it was like chaos. Like, just like, okay, I need to do this, I need to do this, just freaking out and just chaotic. And I was doing that for a really long time. And even though, like, yeah, I got a lot of stuff done, my mental state was suffering, you know, my energy was suffering. And so you have to remember that when it comes to time, manage yours, because you only have so much. And like, it's an illusion. Future has not happened yet. The past is done. We are only here now, and from now we create our future. We don't want to create our future with things that have happened to us in the past that we want to like bring with us. Leave it there. You know, find a way to process it. Never suppress it. Find a way to deal with it, process it, heal from it, so that you can move forward and not have that affect your future. We don't want to let our past dictate our future. The only thing that we have in our grasp is right now. Like, we don't have the past, we can't change it, and we don't have the future in our grasp. But I want to take that back. I feel like we do have the future in our grasp, but only if you can live right now. Because from right now, you create vibrations. From right now, you create a momentum. From right now is when you create the future. And you want to have control over that. You don't want to have your past experiences affect your future. You don't want to have your past hurts and traumas and wounds affect your future. Don't let the past do that. Be now, here in the moment. And when you're in the moment, what are you doing? When you're in the moment, you're just enjoying. You're just like smelling the trees, you're looking at nature, you're dancing, you're reading, you're taking a walk. You're just really pausing your life to look around at where you are and embracing it. That's now. And a lot of time that's so needed, is to ground and center yourself in the now so you can see the beauty of the world. And that's when your mind can calm and relax, and you can project whatever you need to project into your future, the future that you want to build. Why would you want to live in a place that has already happened? It's done. Let's not live there. And then why would you want to live in a place that hasn't even happened? And why would you ever want to project negativity onto that? Because it's so sensitive. Our future is so sensitive when it comes to how we're creating it, what we're thinking about it, what we're projecting into it. So we need to really pause and come back into our bodies. Like, sometimes it feels like our mind is like 10 years ahead of us, thinking about all the things that can go wrong or whatever, you know. So bring our mind back into our body, center and ground ourselves, and really treasure and embrace right now. Anyways, I hope that this video made sense. I was really inspired to do this based off some realizations that I had in my own life, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Any of your thoughts and opinions, I will respond back to every comment. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.